Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add some new text in your text response in phone. So for doing this you just need to open settings, and in the settings you need to find phone option, and here you will see respond with text. So just open this option and here you will see by default what you can respond. It's sorry I can't talk right now, I'm on my way, can I call you later? These quick responses will be available when you respond to an incoming call with a text. Change them to say anything else. So you can also write here something new, something you want, and it will successfully add this new phrase and use it with responding with text. So this is how it works. For example, we will write sorry. And just click return, and here you can see that it successfully adds this phrase. So we can go back and just go again here, and here you can see that it successfully saved our sorry phrase. So it means that everything is working. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.